G'day and welcome. So today it is 10:30 a.m. Monday the 28th, the 1 month anniversary of being wiped out by a fucking gigantic flood. Currently me and my offsider, my mate here, are off to Ballina. We're going to go to Bunnings and we're going to check out what the fuck they got down here, and hopefully we're going to get a bit of flooring and well, a few products here and there, and chuck them in the house. So just thought someone was going through the windshield. Yeah, as you can see, we've got absolutely beautiful weather, and not a single fucker can drive to save their life around here. So well, we'll catch us when we get to Bunnings then. So here we are at Bunnings Ballina, and I'm waiting for some friggin' service, waiting to be let in. I've already had a walk around and tried to find the shit I need. It's a total clusterfuck. It's like, oh no, we don't have 10 sheets of this, we only got 5 sheets of this, but we can give you 5 sheets of this as well, so you can have fucking 5 2.4 metre long sheets and 5 3 metre long sheets. I'm sure that'll fucking help. Oh my god, fucking drive me fucking around the twist. Oh dear, oh dear. Come on, let us in, let's go. Well, here we are wandering around trying to fucking find shit. It's about 3 hours later. I'm absolutely stuffed if I can find anything.
No.
Squeegee. No. Well, here we are at a Bunnings, and we're just fucking waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, and that's all we fucking do. Here we are with the big prawn. Yes, no, it's not the big shrimp. No, it's not the big crustacean. It's the big prawn, or the big porno. And this is what is at Ballina. You used to be able to walk up there and look out of its eyes, but yeah, it was all sort of fucking falling to bits and shit. So, but yeah, she's a big bitch. I don't mind the odd fucking prawn or two. And we don't usually throw them on a barbie either, I hate to tell you this. So, that way, Bunnings. And there's our lovely Bunnings. Lovely Bunnings. I'm just waiting to get fucking T-boned by a fucking Honda Jazz. Right. Well, we're just on our way home from Bunnings, and as you can clearly see from anyone wearing scuba gear, it's a very nice day outside. Right. I just thought I'd give you a look at the conditions out here at the moment. What's the time, you know? Oh, it's 2:30, 2:15. Well, it is 4 o'clock by the play school clock, and I'm just waiting for Blake. He's gonna go change his clothes because we're just covered in fucking sweat, absolutely ridiculous. And we're gonna go up to bloody me old cheeses, and we're gonna have a couple of drinks. And because it's been a pretty long day, we went down to Ballina, went to Bunnings, fucking got the shit done. Came back and then carried like fucking 20 friggin' sheets up the stairs and stacked them and everything like that, and I'm stuffed. Holy crap and hell. Oh, talk about doing some exercise. Bloody not good. So as you can see, the weather still has not let up at all. People are going, it's going to flood, it's going to flood, it's going to flood. Fuck's sake. It's bloody Lismore. It floods every time fucking too many people flush the toilet at the same time. Not a great deal you can do about it. Alright, so it is, what is the bloody time anyway? I think it's like 5 o'clock or something.
5:03.
There you, oh my god, aren't I good? It's about 5:03, and we're sitting here on the plonk, drinking some cheap wine, having a bit of a goon sack. No, I lie. We're being snobs and we're having vodka and bloody scotch. So, we're just basically looking at this horrible freaking weather, and I'm trying to see if we can see any koalas. I might zoom in a little bit and see what we can see. Are you going to zoom in for me? Thank you. And we'll just have a look. Oh, what is that there? There's a bit of a lump there. Give me a look. Yeah? Oh, sure it is. Oh, shit. No, he's got fucking better eyes than me, that's for sure. No, I think it might be... Can you see that?
Yeah, there's a little bit in the
Is it
middle
just
there.
a... Is it just a... Yeah, that's it right there. Is that just a branch?
Yeah, I
think,
think
or
it was
something,
just
maybe?
a branch coming out.
Fuck, I wish I had any other cameras, man. This sucks. Oh, well. The weather has been non-stop just this. This is the weather. It is fucking fantastic. It's green. We'll put it this way, I certainly don't need to run any bloody saturation on my fucking videos to make the colours pop, that's for sure. So, on an update, I have bought a second-hand Zoom recorder, which I'll probably do a review on, but it's going to help me do some recording so I don't have to keep on doing, you know, recording audio and video at the same time. I can record my audio separately and actually, hopefully, getting it sound a hell of a lot better. So, that would be nice. That's probably sometime in the next few days, although, you know, it's probably going to turn up. It's not going to have a bloody storage card in it, and it's not going to have any batteries, and so, but we'll see. We shall see indeed. Has anyone found any koalas yet? Where are those koalas? And I shit you not, there is always koalas in these trees. They're always in these ones with the white trunks. and they're a sort of lighter green. You can see that one there, that's like a darker green. And if you go down, you see it's got a dark trunk. But if you go along and you go right, see those ones right in the middle there? They're a lighter green. You go down, they've probably got white trunks. This one there, that's a camphor laurel. I actually really like camphor laurels. They smell beautiful. I don't know. For some reason, the greenies hate them. They're all like, "Ew, fucking introduced species, yuck, yuck, yuck." But I think camphor laurels are fucking an amazing, beautiful tree. Hey, just bring you a late night update. It is 7:30 at night, and we have had an evacuation order given earlier today, and then they rescinded it, and now I'm pretty much waiting for another evacuation order to come in. This is for the house down there. There's not a great deal in there except for the sheets and everything we've just bought, and this, that, and everything else. So, excuse me, high pressure cleaner, all that kind of stuff. Mainly the dogs. So the dogs are in there. So if this goes up, right now it's sitting at just under 8 metres. Once it gets anywhere near 10 metres, I'm going to have to go down there and get my dogs out of the house. So, yeah, all very fun. They're not locked in there anyway. Like, if the place did flood and we couldn't get to them, they could swim away. Certainly nothing stopping that. But, yeah, that's about it. As you can hear, the rain is still falling. It hasn't stopped, just keeps going. So, alright boys and girls, well, I'm going to love yous and leave yous, and I will see yous tomorrow with another update. Are we going to get flooded out? Am I going to be down there at 1 o'clock this morning or 3 o'clock this morning fucking trying to get my dogs out of the house while it's pissing down rain? Well, if you want to find out, you're going to have to tune in tomorrow. Same fucked up time, same fucked up channel.